Lourdes Hall is an older residence hall, built in the beauty and tradition of Nazareth College. Lourdes Hall is known for being the more quiet option for first-year students. It is connected to the tunnels, Carney Hall, and the dining hall. Its central location near the Schultz Center makes it easy to get involved and go to more events. Containing mainly doubles and triples, the floors here are separated by gender, and there is one shared bathroom on each floor. In addition, there are lounges and kitchens on the second and third floor, and a huge lounge in the basement that also houses the Nest game room